The Market Crash Alert Indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Once the indicator is loaded onto the chart, a histogram window will appear at the bottom of the chart. The Market Crash Alert Indicator is a special and practical tool for times when there are large candles moving in one direction on the chart. This indicator identifies and displays these candles for us. Price action traders and those who analyze the market based on the movement legs of candles can use this indicator to determine the magnitude of these movement legs. When the market reaches their desired movement legs, they can receive alerts accordingly. When the histogram values move significantly upward, it clearly indicates that the candle is indeed bullish, and the higher this particular value becomes, the stronger and more pronounced the bullishness of that specific candle will be. And when the histogram values move into the negative territory, and when the absolute values of the histogram are prominently displayed in red, it clearly indicates that the candle is indeed bearish in the financial market. We can also set a level on the histogram so that if the candle's movement values exceed our specified level, it will issue alerts for us and we will be informed about the candle's movement steps. In the Settings section, under Input, there are only two options available. In the first input, we can specify the number of candles to analyze and display in the histogram, which is set to 1000 by default. In the second input, we can set the alert threshold and the movement step level, which is also set to 1000 by default. Depending on the trading symbol on which we run the indicator, we need to adjust this value. For example, if I set this value to 2000, the threshold will change for me, and only if there are significant price movements in the market will alerts be triggered, so we can stay informed about price behavior. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.